Okay, you guys, I'm back, and as you can see here, I put it back, the plastic thing, and I put back the screws and the tip of the actuator. Now I'm gonna connect the actuator to it and start the car. Since it's winter, I'm gonna warm it up, and then I'm gonna turn on the heater, see if it works. I just couldn't film the way I put the screws in and the plastic thing because there is no room here, so you just have to get an idea of it. After all that, I'm gonna use some silicones on these parts. There will still be some air leak, but I think I'll get over it. So this is the actuator. Now let's put it back into its place. Okay, I think that's how it's supposed to go. Okay, hold up. Okay, now, okay. Okay, I can't really see if it's in or not. Okay, it looks like it's in. Now, I'm gonna get the screws of the actuator and put them back. Okay. Okay, now. Yeah, that's right. Looks about right. Now, get the screws. Okay, go in. Okay. Okay, let me pause it for a second. Okay, I got the first screw halfway in, and now the second one goes up top. Let me try to show it to you. Goes right here. This one will be worse to get it in. Now let's get the screw and okay, as I said, it's freezing cold, so I can't even feel my hands. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the video again. I'm gonna show it to you when it's done.